So I just removed the Celica's rear seats. Notice there was an awful musty smell, and there it is. Puddle of water in the back. So I'm gonna get this all cleaned up, put it back together, and clean out the sunroof tubes. So hopefully the water will not come back in. But interesting, somebody grounded a seatbelt buckle there. Some wires that were laying in water. All sorts of stuff. And this tool was actually like stuck to the car. It's been in there so long. So I'm gonna get this cleaned up for sure. Get rid of that nasty odor, and hopefully we'll be back in business. So the water is drained. I think I am just going to clean this thing out. It's all kind of nasty, and get it looking like it's all fresh and clean, because there was a moldy smell. Even water is kind of leaking over here, so I may just do a whole new carpet kit one day. But for now, it's good to get the water out. Take this off from the seat belt there, clean up. There's a little more water in here. Probably take it over to the vacuum and vacuum out the water, clean up these side panels, and fix the leak in the sunroof. So some other wires that goes to nothing. It's just there. So we will cut that and get that out of the way while we're here, and just clean it up. So now we vacuumed and cleaned out, trimmed up some speaker wire that's no longer used, and ready to soak this thing down with some cleaner. The one thing I had was Windex with vinegar, because I really didn't feel like running to the store. But we'll spray that down, wipe it out. I'm sure the vinegar in here will help out at least. We'll wipe this down. That needs a bad cleaning. The sunroof drain tube that's the culprit is obviously over here, because I don't know if you can see, but there's water all on that side kick panel right there. Up, and look, there's a water stain there on the headliner. So there is definitely a water leak on the passenger side. So the goal for today is just to get this cleaned up, and I'll work on the sunroof tomorrow. So we clean this up as much as possible for today. Again, my goal is just to get the musty smell out of this car, and it turns out that under this seat it was dry, and under the passenger rear seat there was a bunch of water. So sunroof tube drains need to be cleaned, and if you can see over there, look at all that water on the kick panel. Look at it work on the front. So I'm using Turtle Wax Power Out Odor X. 6 into storage odors up to 30 days. Well, not when you have a puddle in the car, but anytime else. This is a great product, and it smells amazing. So I'm probably going to soak this down in Turtle Wax. I prefer Turtle Wax products. I use it on both the Celica and the Adrenaline. They work great and very affordable. So we will, not even a stream on this, we will just soak this down right here. So a puddle of Odor X. I think we'll just spray this side. Wow, it smells good already. Again, this is Power Out Odor X. It smells amazing, way better than the Febreze I was using. Spray some up there. Literally just soak this down. I have the rear seats drying out on my porch, so I'll put those back in a couple of days. But for now, we're going to soak this down in Odor X. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, hit like, comment, and this was a fairly easy project, and just a great thing to add to the preventative maintenance list is to make sure these are draining and inspect the back seats. The back seats are very easy to take out. 2 bolts per back seat cushion, and the bottom seats, they just pop out. So again, hit like, subscribe, comment, and follow for more.